All right, Jess, so tell us what you got right here.
So this is a new mystery pin set for Donald Duck, what, his 90th birthday, I guess?
Yeah.
So
looks pretty good for
builds
90.
his hat, and then it looks like it's like all his like characters over the years, like what he's looked like. And then these are LR $29.99.
Let's see the side. The possibilities. There you go. Right there. Nice. As you guys know, we've been looking for these hidden Disneys. We're not gonna risk it in the park. I'm sure they have them in the park, but we're not gonna risk it. So we're just gonna get 2 right here at Pin Traders. So this is what's new. This is Donald Duck 90th anniversary firecracker. Really cool. $19.99 retail. The Bi-Coastal Adventures. This one features Goofy with the Astro Orbiters. There. There you go. Then this Mulan My Home for the monthly series. And this LE Up one. This one retails for $19.99. I'm not sure the edition size, but I'm gonna assume like 3,000. But they have a lot here at Downtown Disney.
So we were walking through Downtown Disney because the regular entrance was insane for security. And
I don't know if you guys been keeping up with like people on Instagram that cover Disney stuff, but over here, like for whatever reason, the new security checkpoints are insane. They're making us like wait a very long time. We actually just ended up walking through Downtown Disney because those lines are insane. I'm sure people are still there that we saw like barely getting in there.
Downtown Disney was like 5 minutes. So.
Yeah.
But anyways, Downtown Disney looks so different from like the last time I seen it. Look at that new restaurant. Look.
Yeah.
I didn't know it was. I didn't even know it was.
Yeah,
open.
Downtown Disney's been looking a lot nicer these days. Alright guys, so now we got the pins, we're good, we're situated, we're taking a quick break. It's a long line to get in, so we're like not really in a rush to go anywhere, but definitely excited to go into the parks and pin trade for today. Hopefully we trade out for other good stuff at Frontierland, or like, I don't know, I think I want to buy another pack or something. We'll see how that goes. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. What about you?
It's packed.
It's packed.
That's all I could say that I could tell, yeah.
It was crazy because yesterday we weren't able to get reservations until like...
It was like all day we knew we wanted to come today, but like not until like 7 o'clock hit, then a bunch dropped. It was
for whatever
the rest
reason.
of May was blocked out, or like no reservation. And all of a sudden all of them, so just
they opened up.
always refresh.
Always
they
keep
eventually
checking.
pop up.
But other than that, let's go have some fun. Let's go trade some pins and stick around for the after park special, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna do some other stuff
He
too.
owes me some food, so he's gonna give me that after.
Probably might not be able to change his mind.
Well, some people think that, it's like this.
There's a lot going on, but there's nothing going on.
I don't think anything is real. in here.
Nothing. Literally nothing.
Are you ready?
Yes. Alright, so we finally managed to get our hands on a few of these packs and open them up right here, right now, and hopefully hit Frontier if we are able to trade out what we don't want.
Alright, I'm hoping for any of the chaser or super chasers, or that's pretty much it. But we'll see. Ready?
Yep. These come in 2 in a pack. They
2 in a pack for
$17.99.
$17.99.
Okay, Jack.
We don't have any of these,
Oh,
by the
there's a
way.
D.
Dang it.
Oh, a bell.
Bell.
That's still not bad.
Yeah. Well, actually, we have like what? A Star Wars one? And
Have a
Marie,
few Star Wars
actually.
ones, courtesy of Marv from Ewok Adventures.
Ewok Expeditions.
Yeah, Ewok Expeditions. Oh. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Next pack. I'm not buying any more, by the way.
No. Okay.
That is not a chaser. Neither is that.
We got the Tigger and the Mickey. What is that?
Leprechaun.
Leprechaun. St. Patrick's Day Mickey. Alright, so for sure out of these two, this is the best pack.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Edna and Jack. All right, Jazz. So go ahead and give the people a little pregnancy update.
I am 25 weeks and I feel super pregnant, and I know I still got 15 weeks to go, but
They said how big is the baby on our little app?
Eggplant.
Yeah, eggplant.
But the Disney version was the snorkel glasses from Finding Nemo.
That's really specific.
Yeah, that's why I don't really do the Disney one. Fruits make more fruits and vegetables. So, however big.
Yeah, the eggplant is.
Yeah,
Nice.
Doing good.
All right, I'm all right on this one.
All right, ready?
Yep.
I lied. We said we weren't gonna buy
Pack
any
number
more.
3.
Let's see. Ready?
Okay. Ooh, Lucy.
Well, some we don't have. Do you want anything there?
I'm
I think
okay
I'm
with
good.
it,
I'm good.
yeah.
I'm gonna keep these.
You got the D.
Yeah, I know.
Let's
Not bad.
go.
All right, thank you.
Real slow pin trade on the boards today, but it's okay. Our Frontierland haul and our Hidden Disney haul made up for it. And I still have a few more boards to hit. All right, so after a successful day at the parks, we ended up coming to Cava.
I'm so excited. I've never been, so I'm really
Jasmine's really excited.
I have my order on my notes app.
We've been trying to come here for months. All right, so here's our bowls. This is Jasmine's bowl. We almost got the same thing, just a few differences.
Yeah, right. He got all of his stuff on the side.
Yeah, because he told me to.
Because I like it.
She forced me to get that on the side.
Because
Anyways.
I need extra sauce.
This is my bowl. Lots of flavor going on, I can already tell. I'm excited to try it. I will give you a rundown on exactly what we got in a little bit. This is
like chicken, hummus, feta.
it's a Chipotle of Mediterranean food.
Yeah,
So.
right.
All right, so that concludes our trip. We are back here at home, and unfortunately, this was the only pin that I ended up finding on the boards. But it was this little vision. I haven't seen this one in a while, so I just grabbed it just to pin trade. But yeah, guys, we ended up going to Cava, as you guys saw. It was really good. We definitely recommend it. We tried it for the first time. We ended up going to the one all the way in Whittier because I was trying to drop off some film, but it didn't work out. But anyways, what did you get, Jazz? You got like some sort of like... We pretty much got the same thing as far as like chicken and like...
Chicken, rice. I just got a bunch of sauces and like dips. The crazy feta
Had her
had
going
me like
crazy.
crazy. It is so good. I know you guys probably like, okay, I've had kava, but like we've never had it, so this is new to me, and I love like Mediterranean food. So
I'm not really too big on Mediterranean food, but I do love halal, guys. Like that is like top tier to me. But I also don't really eat Mediterranean food, so I know it's kind of basic. But anyways, definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. And also,
you gave it an 8.
oh yeah, I did. Yeah, 8. Anyways, this is what we ended up trading at Frontierland because you know, we were posted out there for a while, just talking to some friends and everything, and this is what we ended up getting. Not too bad, not too bad. We luckily found a trader that had like Florida, the Hidden Disney Florida ones. So I ended up trading for one of these for like the Dumbo because I wanted that one so bad for my Dumbo collection. And then we got one of the I think it was a Jack and one of the packs that we opened. So we ended up trading that one for one of these as well. So that was pretty cool. And shout out to Alyssa. Thank you so much for the Zap.
Thank you so much.
We were looking for this one as well, but we ended up trading another one.
I ended up getting it, but it was still a nice zap for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love that pin. It's really cute.
And I'm not a Winnie the Pooh, but
That was
you
funny.
thought this was a rabbit? You thought this was a rabbit? I'm just kidding. It was a frog, but it's Winnie the Pooh. Anyways, and then yeah, so that's what I ended up pulling, as you guys saw. So yeah, I ended up trading out that Jack, but not a bad haul. Definitely a much bigger pins than I thought they would be. And I mean, yeah, other than that, that's about it for this one. So let us know your favorite part. Probably don't have one, but it's okay. And see you in the next one. Peace.